everyone, Priyanka this side. Hope you are doing good. So, till today, I had some submissions to make and writing projects pending to work on. And as I told you in my last video, I'm facing a major writer's block. Being a writer, I have to write thousands of words every day, and sometimes it just gets too much. After finishing my work, I'll be sitting down to use some brushes. It has been 6 years since I have lifted them, and today I'm gonna be doing some oil painting through some inspirations from the internet. I have an announcement to make, so keep watching till the end and enjoy. Apparently, art is not as easy as it seems to be. I am clearly confused about how to draw an oil painting, and it's so much labor.
जो ऑयल पेंटिंग सीखना चाहते हैं ये उनके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगी आपको बट इसके साथ
I turned to some YouTube videos to take help, but I got more frustrated and I lacked patience. So
हमारी सीरीज में
enough of doing anything. I'm just searching a good picture and then I'm going to draw it according to my sense of coloring. And clearly there are a lot of brilliant ideas, but I'm trying to make a simpler one as a first try. I was in 10th when I actually drew an oil painting, and the worst part about it is that it never dries up. If something gets touched on the board, then your entire canvas can get ruined and it's so smudgy. But yes, I have bought like so this is my canvas and these are my colors. This is my oil, and let's see how it turns out to be. I'm not doing any outline because I took some ideas and I liked the sunset very much. So in making that sunset, it won't require much of my I bought some acrylic paints, but right now I'm in the mood of like doing an oil painting. And if you wanna buy it, you can pay me for like 100 rupees. And let's see how it turns out to be. Here's my palette. It's very dirty. And this is my cloth. If I ruined something, I'll be using it. And these are my brushes. Get ready. Okay, so I won't need water. I'll be needing some oil in a container, and here's that. This is a turpentine oil, and I'll not be adding a lot from it. It smells very bad. I just want to cover it entirely. I'm trying to make a good coating of paint. Thanks. the announcement that I have to make is that this year I'm trying to participate in NaNoWriMo, and it's, for those who don't know, NaNoWriMo is National Novel Writing Month, and it comes on in the month of November, and it is for all the writers who are aspiring to be authors. It's basically a 30-day challenge to self, and it's a challenge where you have to write around 50,000 words within 30 days of the month of November. And so I'll be uploading my preparations for writing the book, which I'm going to write in the month of November, but I have to make preparations in the month of October. So I'll be making a video of planning out the structure of the book. NaNoWriMo provides motivation to every aspiring author, and you just get to go along with a lot of writers and get back to writing for 1 month, where they'll motivate you every day. So if you want to participate with me, join the marathon, and till then, enjoy my painting. I have sent my first book to a lot of publishers, and some of them have rejected it, but I'm thinking of writing another book, another fiction book this year, and I'll do it in the month of November. From the hellfire, and I tried my best to complete it on detail. I'll be adding details, just like a real tornado is. this is what I painted in for like 1 hour. It's abstract and mixing of colors was very difficult, but at the end I made it. And if you would ask what is it, then it's a tornado in hell. This is how my table looks like right now. I painted this with oil paints and it was very difficult because oil paints are different from acrylic ones.